you.
Have I got a treat for you kids?
That's not chicken and chips.
Why would I make a rubbish kei for my moho when I can create a feast like this fit for rangatira for half the price?
Where's the chips?
Oh, there's no chips in this whare, bro. Unless you call unpeeled kumara in the oven chips.
Where's the fizzy?
Ah. There's the fizzy.
Koro says that diabetes is the plague in this country and that all his fat mates are dying because they forgot how to eat properly.
No. What I probably actually said is that we need to relearn how to live off the land, the whenua, and eat like our tūpuna.
That's not how I remember it.
Me never.
Anyway, you kids are so awesome. Ko au te ringa wera mo tēnei rā. Get into it.
Hey, Koro, you remember when I was little? You realised that you could just buy mussels from the supermarket?
Holy hecka. Yeah, you could just rock up there, buy your kūtai, don't even get wet. When I was a young fella, we used to go diving for kūtai, right? No clothes.
Koro.
Eh? Just out there in the whare o Tangaroa. I don't think Pack and Save would appreciate that these days. Anyway, get into it.
I'm not hungry after that.
Yeah.